Once you install the Fento Champ app, open it. When you open it for the first time, it will ask you for a set of permissions. These permissions are required for the app to function smoothly and for you to accept customer calls. Please provide all the requested permissions. To be able to receive customer calls, provide calling permissions, call receiving permissions. Enable Fento Champ as a app that accepts calls. Click the Get Started button. Enter your mobile number. You will receive an SMS with the OTP. Enter the OTP. Provide location access so that the app can verify whether the place is being added or closer to your current location or not. Enter your full name. Enter the languages that you can comfortably speak. Add the places where you are expert on. Make sure to add only those places about which you have complete understanding. For example, if you are adding a temple, you should know the temple's opening and closing timings, various types of pujas that are performed, and any other nearby places to visit, and similarly for other tourist attractions. You can add multiple places. I've added three places: Vishweshwaraya Museum, Shivoham Shiva Temple, Nexus Shantaniketan Mall. Click the register button. Your registration is now complete. The account will is currently under review by Fento team. Once the Fento team reviews the information provided, they will give you a call and activate the account. Thank you.